How to fix the Roblox mobile kicking you out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If the Roblox mobile keeps kicking you out, try the following solution to resolve the issue. So first of all, you need to update the Roblox app to the latest version. For this, head over to your device app store such as Google Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar and type in Roblox. Now you'll have to check for updates and if available, tap on the update button to install any. This way, you will ensure you're running the latest version. Once that is done, try restarting your device. Power off the device, wait for a few seconds, and turn it back again. After that, long press your Roblox application and then tap on App Info. This way, a new page should open from where tap on Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Cache and then on Clear Storage. However, this will log you out, so remember your login details before doing so. After that, you can reopen the Roblox to see if the issue is resolved. Make sure that sometimes low storage can cause apps to crash. So you can delete unnecessary apps, files, or media to ensure you have at least 1 to 2 GB of free space. Also, always make sure to check for OS updates, and if any is available, make sure to install and restart your device. However, if nothing works, you'll have to uninstall the Roblox completely from your device and then restart your phone. After that, you'll have to reinstall the Roblox from App Store and then log in back into your account. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.